Hi guys! I've recently been watching a lot of videos about velocity editing, like this. Well, today let me show you how to quickly create one with VideoProc. First, prepare the clip we need. But remember, first, try to pick the video that comes with high frame rate, or use related software or tools to interpolate the frames. Second, it is best to choose a video that includes moving subjects, since in this way, it is easier to create a strong sense of rhythm. I selected street dance clips as a demo here. First, we open the software. Click here to create a new sequence. Import the footage into the software. Drag it to the timeline track. Before we start editing, we need to figure out the main principle behind this effect, or say how the effect works exactly. The most important thing to create a rhythmic effect is to combine the speed of the character's movements with the beat of the music. For example, in this music, these are the beat points. So all we need to do is to speed up the movement of the characters at these beat points in the video. Here I want to show you a pretty simple way. First, we put a marker on each beat point of the music. Move the playback to the beat point. Then, we click on the button here to add markers. Next, split the video based on these beat points. Here you can click Split or use the shortcut Ctrl B. Let me do a quick edit here. Next, we accelerate the first clip by 4 times. Click here to enter the speed editor. Select Constant, then 4 times. Click Apply and you're done. At the same time, we can see that the length of the video clip on the timeline has changed. Let's select the end of the second clip and make the duration of the clip stay with that of the beat. Then, we give the third clip a quadruple speed. And keep the duration of the fourth clip in line with that of the beat. Repeat the edit and finish the rest of the clip. Let me do a quick edit here. Alright, so now I'm done with all the editing. Let's play and see the effect.
I'm feeling high when I'm low, I need it more when you're close to me.
Well, it works pretty well. If you want to add more dynamic deflation to the image, you can add a glitch effect to the clip. Find the effect in Effect Library in the upper left corner. Drag it to the effect track. Adjust duration to align with the footage of a quadruple speed. Next, add this effect to each of the clips with 4 times speed. we can right-click to copy and paste the effect in the position where we want to add it. Of course, you can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl and C or Ctrl and V if that is more convenient for you. Adjust the duration a little bit to align the factor with the clip. Let me do a quick edit here. Alright, I have finished all the edits. Let's take a look at the final result.
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me.
Well, pretty nice. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And also go try this effect and apply it to your own work. If you want to know other effect, leave a message in the comment sections down below so that we could include that in our upcoming video tutorials. Alright, let's see you in the next video tutorial. Bye bye!